What's up, guys? It's Saturday, and here we are at the MOAT Fanua. Everybody's gone.
Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat.
Subscribe to our channel up and down, wherever it's at. Messenger and the MOAT. Peace out. A-Town.
We're gonna race to these golf carts. Ah, I'm scared. I'm not down. What is your name? Hi, I'm Adele. You don't want the smoke. No, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. We even moved the car yet. Just time ourselves, not race. Are you gonna time? No, just. Would I for basketball? You know, back in the day when I was. Unless you shoot it like this. Your elbow has to be tucked in. You know you're doing it wrong. Everything I do is wrong. I'm getting so irritated without a. I won.
Get out of here. I wasn't down, bro. The first time I went by myself. Throw that away. Throw that away. Delete that.
Hey, Jesse, say hi.
What's up? What's up, guys? Here is Asuelo and playing Ish. Pay attention to our. The ball hit her head.
You really missed it.
Like this, I should have ball just went. Oh, I just slapped it so slow. Oh, holy shit, nabobs. So good. Square. Welcome to Check in a Box. Can I get a whoop whoop?
Whoop whoop.
Yeah, thank you. Colin.
Get over here.
That's how Jesse feels. Helpful. No. Try do me a favor. Don't play again ever in your life. Get down. No. Hey, you better cut it out before I push you down. Wait, bro.
Look at her.
Oh, oops. Rather, it's self-serve. That's
Ready? Evo. Hey guys. Abby, Koke, Nika, to the Moat Christmas bracket. 6:31. You guys are all on the list. You're on the list.
5, 6, 7, go!
Yes. Smile. Hi. Me.
Madonna in the country. No, just normal. Congrats, are you? Oh,
Just. You guys.
Bet you're not gonna make it for you.
Shoe? Jeans. After Eta is Christian. Gonna pick for Christian. I'm the same age. Show me.
Christian and Echo is 30 years old.
Kaylin is next.
Ooh!
Bring your auntie on. God.
Peace!
Peace. Morning.
Tell me about the zigzags.
I miss you so much.
I can't. You guys do it. I'm gonna post it. I will say, what movie is this?
Happy birthday.
Olivia Ingalil. It's Italian to you. Oh my Tato Sao. Italia. Le Messia. Le Faula. Le Anganga. Patia. Ia via tua.
I mean, you didn't want to get mean with those?
I didn't even get try.
No, just get
The wrong person to go press record.
You know when you hit high notes and then your throat just like closed?
Open it. The goal is to keep it open. Make sense? Okay, stand up. And I want you to put your hands up in front of you first. So, yeah. You're supposed to feel something here. Huh? No. Sinus. Oh, it's
Sorry.
Did the action. Fly like a bird. No.
Wow. What movie is it from? Juno, what movie is it from, Juno? Huh?
It's Angels in the Outfield.
Coco Farring.
Is that the first part? Ready? Nita, stop it.
Keith, Lucas, Sarah, Jessica, Chrissy.
You're Adam. There's Nico.
Edna.
Oh, Nicodemus.
Nicodemus.
No, not Sala.
Wait, Adam.
Adam. Eve. Good.
I don't know what's after that.
Good.
This is the kick. That's that thing on the bottom. That's what keeps your bass. The hi-hat. And this is the cymbal. Yeah, you got the snare. That's the bass kick. So on 2 and 4, you're gonna hit the snare. So try that. Yeah. Good.
Oh, 6 people. Just went grocery shopping.
It's been blessed all day today, you know, with breakfast.
These gusts of wind.
You gotta say bingo.
No, you.
Let us know. We're better than Hawaiian island movers.
We are island movers.
We are island music. Oh. Thanks. Oh my bad. I didn't mean that. Go back now.
And the men are right there. You see them?
Okay, you look so skinny. I know.
Okay, do it again. And what?
It's a fruit.
I'm taking apricot, blueberries, and chocolate.
Orange cap. Apricot, blueberry, chocolate, and banana. Blueberry, chocolate, ABCD, and bananas. I am 16, going on 17.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, my arm is getting a workout. Okay.
Hey, look, chair.
All of these are presents. We're having a wrapping party.
Grab these. Oh, Steph.
What, wrapping paper?
Knew you were gonna be short.
What? Everything.
Love it. Hi, boy. Here you go.
We're done wrapping.
Essa!
Baba.
Family time series. And I need this is for. Okay, bring it to church tomorrow. Grandma, I need this. My phone will never die, thank you. It will never die. It's only you guys at home.
Oh, Wi-Fi?
I have this left. What do I do? Do I eat it? Comment below. Dude, we look like the same skin tone. No, we don't.
Give me your money.
What animal is this from? It is so
Raccoon. It's a rat.
It's like fur. Too much power.
Oh, my nose is bleeding.
Post it on the MOAT page.
No, you said I'm a bad girl. You said I'm a bad girl.
Hey, you're a good girl.
Thanks, Solo.
Grandpa.
What?
Grandpa.
Ridiculous.
Get this. Get this.
I've been expecting for about 2 years. Here, look. And then hug.
Look, see our
hands are hugging each other. Oh,
hug Dell's hand.
Wait, what? I thought
Did you? No, she said I fart.
Oh, there's a dinosaur on the top.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at him.
Pinocchio?
With the white ball balloon.
Pretty much.
By the feet!
So big goes for you. All of us.
Okay, like this. Put your guys' blindfolds on. Okay. Happy, sit down.
You know, like, put on your blindfold.
That's all.
Cheaters!
Who's that? Girl? No, ready, set, go.
No!
The creamer.
Oh, why do we have the cream out? Oh my gosh.
Kaylin is very hot though. The lady's not. Move. I found it! No, you didn't!
Sushi!
No, that doesn't count.
You're not.
Don't have to see it, just look for it.
No.
No, nobody found it. You just said I was hot!
Precious.
Light.
Hi, Prince. None of you guys are close, by the way.
I'm so dead.
Cheese! Love you!
No, get away.
No, you love me. Love me. Love me always.
Go home. I love you.
Love you more.